Welcome back!
We didn't plan that,
We
but
did.
that worked out.
It did.
And this is a part 3.
Part 3, Ben's Haul. $78. What did it get us?
3 videos, that's what it got us.
That's, yeah. And
This is the
smelly fingers.
the cherry on top.
Maybe even an STD.
The bottom of the caboose, as Jake would say.
I swear it was the Benz that gave me that STD. Anyway,
Awkward.
moving right along.
Portland Pickers! And did we do some picking today?
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, this is for me, I think, for my iPad. So I like to click clappy when I'm typing, and my iPad doesn't do that. So hopefully this will work with it.
Frickin' Milwaukee corded
Frickin'.
sander grinder.
My mom
here.
used to say, don't say frickin'.
Don't say frickin'. Just say what you mean. Say that word if you're gonna say it.
That's
Not how you
she
want
would
to say
prefer.
Dymo,
Labor
yellow.
Label maker? No, why is that hard to say?
They sell.
Label?
Amazon, eBay, check it out. Erica picked this up. It's a ballast for greenhouse Michiganas. Oh, it has a
Oh.
dimming option on it too.
Oh.
50%, 75%, 100%.
Do you want to know what I thought this was?
Uh,
A fan for a computer.
oh, okay. Well, I mean, when you pulled it up, I thought it was an amp.
Or an amp. But
And I was like,
those
oh,
are my two
dope.
options.
And then I saw digital greenhouse.
So it's for like
600
lights
watt digital electronic
to
ballast.
grow weed
Yeah, so
for your weed farmer outfit. Hey, if you guys haven't checked out that video, last time we went to the bins, we got each other Halloween costumes.
Yeah, that
You
shit was
should
dope.
check it out. Maybe the link will be in the description or right here if I know how to do that, but I don't really know how to do that. So.
comps on this look good.
Oh yeah.
Hot cams. It's a shim set kit for motorcycle.
I feel like the name Hot Cams could get you in trouble if you Google that though.
Hot cams.
No, like
Oh,
cam
sorry.
girls. Not
Oh, hot cams!
Yeah.
Oh, snaps! Yeah, that can mean a lot of things. This is missing one of its probes. One of its jet probes. But these sell for like $5. Warehouse sale!
Did we ever do a video of the
Oh, this was Monopoly!
Survivor stuff we got?
No.
Never did.
We never did. No, that was
It's
crazy.
already gone, so great.
I just have pictures that we could like, swing into the screen.
Game.
Handheld electronic. Like we
Bingo.
talked about it. We've
What's
been
his
there.
name now?
Tire minder. It's just the remote. I'm gonna have to put new batteries in it, but the whole kit, tire minder kits. I think it's like a setup with your tires, and it keeps in mind that
How low they get.
yeah, what the tire pressure is at and whatnot. Oh, but the whole kits were like over $100. So I was like, someone's gonna pay $50 for just the receiver thing, right?
Maybe.
I got this for you.
I don't know. Don't touch me with it.
This is a magic wand.
And that's all
And
you need to say about it.
There,
It's
it
a
also has.
massager.
It also has this multi-function high, medium, low switch with it. I was like, this is 30, this is 30, and it's dirty. But that will sell. That sells really well. Oh, this is just like a nice Dell laptop power supply, and I was like, oh, it looks really clean and new. I
It
actually.
looks really clean. Grab it.
It looks so clean, I wanted to have the bag.
Some more power adapters.
Xbox power adapter, Respitronics power adapter, a another. There was like so many GPSs. I was
Another one.
another one. Rock Band dongle. If you don't know about dongles, get your dongle game up. Because
Get
you've
your
been
dongle out of the
non-dongling. If you have not dongled,
Why do you insist on touching my face with Bin's juice?
dongle it up. If you
Bin's
find
juice,
dongles,
it doesn't come in a jar. Bin's juice comes from who you are.
I feel like Garage.
Band?
Sorry, not Garage Band.
Rock Band.
Not Rock Band. This is Rock Band.
Guitar Hero.
Guitar Hero. Those dongles are like $30. Rock Band? I don't know, but I think it's still 20.
Alright.
Oh my goodness. So I felt inspired when they were pushing the bins in. I was like, you know, I need to just stand up there and see what happens. I literally saw this box and I was like, I just went like this and I saw graphics. It is a box of comic books.
These are ones I found. So all the ones that you found all are in their little...
A bunch of, and I don't know. I don't even know what's in here, but there's a bunch.
And comics have done really well for us at the warehouse still. We have a consistent buyer.
Oh!
But even with the things that he buys, there's still other things that other people want. That
And these
makes
are-
sense.
Newer because they have barcodes. This one's 1985.
The Golden Age. This one's 2001. So yeah.
But even some of the newer ones, like
It just has to have the right graphics for someone at the warehouse sale to swoop in.
This one's 85. Anyway, that was freaking sick.
Alright, can we get to it? So we're about to leave, and I'm looking.
Ah!
I think I'm looking for a bag to put the electronics in because they weigh them separately.
Yeah.
And I stumble across this bad boy. We haven't opened it, so I don't know. Should we open it inside? They say that's bad. Bad luck. Oh, it works like a charm. Do you guys see that? It is a Microsoft Apple.
Microsoft Apple. Yo, it's a collab! Oh snaps, it's the collab!
Oh, what? Macintosh is
And
what I
that's the
meant to
Think
say.
Different campaign Apple logo. It's a wood umbrella. It works, as you have just now seen. And it's a
My brain
cloth,
doesn't work, obviously.
fine.
It has like a
Armenian.
couple stains.
The print on it is like not, the lines are not lined up, but that's just because it's from the 80s, bruh.
So, yeah. That was a score.
This is unknown dollar value.
Price? Unknown.
Price infinity.
Alright, you wanna show the
And on top of that,
beauty?
one of the other more valuable things we found, like cray rare. I just saw this, and I could see the little like pocket monster, which is Pokemon in Japan logo, and then I flipped it over and I was like, Pikachu! And it was sealed-ish. It's super minty. But this was like part of Pikachu Records release.
Like a promotion or something?
So I think it was, yeah, kind of like a promotional thing. So there would have been like a record. So it's missing the record, but the sealed cards should be worth over a hun. Over a hun. This alone paid for everything we got today.
And
We
then
didn't do like a value estimate, but
some. I don't know how to
generally
do that.
it's like 10x. When we go to the bins, whatever we spend, we can project around 10 times that.
And
in gross
we got
sales.
other stuff for like the house, for ourselves. We got a garbage can, like we got clippers for outside, like we got other stuff, so it's not even,
Some practical.
we spent $78, but that wasn't even just in resale alone.
It's crazy.
But yeah.
Uh,
If you follow us on Instagram, you could see these things when they sell.
sear.
Sear. Are you cooking some meat?
I am now
As always,
heating up.
thank you for watching, and
Yes,
if you like
appreciate
these,
you.
we'll put out more because it seems like we're gonna go to the bins some more.
Doesn't matter. We're gonna put out more.
Hopefully, you guys have bins near you, and if you don't, then you can live through us. But there's stuff out there to find everywhere. Estate sales, garage sales, thrift stores, regular Goodwills,
Yes.
marketplace,
And there's stuff out there
Craigslist.
in your heart. So dig deep here first.
All right, love you guys.
Hit the sub. Hit the ring-a-ding bell. I think that's how it works.
And have a happy Halloween. If we don't see you before then. Bye.
Bye.